Welcome. If you've ever wanted to let anyone edit a Google Drive folder just by sharing a link, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to set your folder's permissions so anyone with the link can become an editor. This is perfect for group projects, collaborative workspaces, or anytime you need easy open access for your team. Let's get started. First, open your Google Drive app or go to drive.google.com in your browser. Find the folder you want to share. Once you've located it, look for the three dots right next to the folder's name. Tap on those three dots to open the Options menu. From the menu, select Manage Access. This is where you control who can view, comment, or edit your folder. Next, look for the section called General Access. Tap on this option to see the sharing settings for your folder. By default, folders are usually set to Restricted, which means only people you specifically invite can access them. To change this, tap on the current setting and select anyone with the link. Now, you'll see a few choices for what people can do with the folder. Choose Editor. This setting allows anyone who has the link to view, comment, add, organize, and edit files in the folder. Once you've set the access to anyone with the link and chosen Editor, your folder is now open for collaboration. Anyone you share the link with can immediately start editing and contributing, no sign-in required. To finish up, just copy the link and share it with your team, classmates, or anyone who needs access. Remember, since anyone with the link can edit, only use this setting for folders where open collaboration is safe and intended. And that's it. You've now made your Google Drive folder editable by anyone with the link. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need a quick and easy way to collaborate online. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.